Unit 1, Lesson 3, The Widest Waterfall in Asia. Vocabulary: cascade, cascade. Conservation, conservation. Course, course. Emerald, emerald. Internet, internet. Kidding, kidding. Miss, miss. Slash and burn, slash and burn. Watershed forest, watershed forest. Conservation forest, conservation forest. Search, search. Wide, wide. Website, website. Consumption forest, consumption forest. Tint, tint. Preserve, preserve. Barren, barren. Protected forest, protected forest. Pristine, pristine. Encourage, encourage. Hi, Tongdi, have you ever been to the southern part of Laos? Yes, I have. Do you know about the widest waterfalls in the world? No, I don't. What is the widest waterfall in the world? Konpapeng Waterfall is the widest waterfall in the world. Really? In the world? Are you kidding? No. I read about it from the internet. Could you tell me how to get into the website? Yes, it's very easy. First, you connect the internet. Then you type waterfalls in Laos. After that, you select Konpapeng. That's it. Thank you very much. I'll search in the internet tomorrow. 1. Konpapeng Waterfall is in Champasak Province. 2. Konpapeng is the most beautiful waterfall in Laos. 3. Konpapeng is the widest waterfall in the world. 4. From December to March, the Cascades water is tinted emerald green. 5. Konpapeng is 23 kilometers wide. 6. The Mekong River takes a deep before continuing its course to the South China Sea. 7. Tourists can view Ba Ka at the Ban Vun Kam. 8. Now, Ba Ka population is decreasing because of the fishing net of local people. Konpapeng Waterfall. Konpapeng Waterfall is in Champasak Province, the southern part of Laos. It is the widest waterfall in the world. It falls into Lipi Waterfall, a place where the Mekong takes a deep before continuing its course past Cambodia and Vietnam into the South China Sea. This amazing natural site is very beautiful during the months of December to March, when the water of the Mekong is a clear tinted emerald green. Down the Mekong River, not too far from the Kongpapeng waterfall, there is a rare freshwater species called the Irrawaddy dolphins, or baka in Lao language. The Irrawaddy dolphins are a major attraction for tourists, as they are only found in this part of Asia. Before, there were around 1,000 of them, but as tourism industry was not promoted in this part of Laos, the Irrawaddy dolphins did not expose to people from other places. Local people believe the Irrawaddy dolphins are sacred fish because they are mammal. According to the lifestyle of local people, Ban Mun Kam, that use the net to catch fish in the Mekong River, the Irrawaddy dolphins were occasionally trapped in the net and died. This practice leads to the decrease of the Irrawaddy dolphins' population. Now, there are only 80 to 100 dolphins living in the river due to extensive fishing by the local people. To save the life of Irrawaddy dolphins, the Lao government has located and declared the conservation area of Irrawaddy dolphins. Fishing is prohibited in the conservation area. International non-governmental organizations, NGOs, together with national partners, have launched a campaign to preserve the rare freshwater species. Now, the conservation area is the famous tourist destination. Tourists who come to the south and visit Kongpapeng would never miss viewing Irrawaddy dolphins at the conservation area at Ban Mun Kam. Waterfalls. In most developing countries, a tourism industry has become a major source of national incomes. Tourists come to these countries to see their watershed, forest, which is full of amazing waterfalls. In Laos, there are many beautiful waterfalls, such as Tat Quang Si, Tat Phek, Tat Lo, Tat Phan, Tat Pasuam, and Kongpapeng, etc. These waterfalls are famous tourist destinations for both local and foreign visitors. These waterfalls are beautiful because of their ample water during the rainy season, which attracts more tourists. During the dry season, the water is receded. That makes the waterfalls less attractive. Moreover, some waterfalls even dry up To protect the amazing waterfalls in pristine forests, the Lao government have encouraged local people to look after their own forests. This means villagers have to manage their own forests, where the pristine forest, protected forest, conservation forest, and consumption forest should be located. If villagers can manage their forests properly, the amount of water during the dry season will be sufficient for some waterfalls to attract visitors. The proper management of forests could not have been achieved if the villagers had not understood the benefits they may gain from this commitment. According to the management of forests, villagers should not cut the big trees in the watershed area, protected area, and conservation area. In spite of cutting trees, the villagers have to grow trees in the barren area. Also, villagers have to reduce the areas of slash and burn method of cultivation. They have to locate their permanent base of agriculture production.